We're here at Frank's Pontiac Parts to show off that this 1969 Firebird 400 convertible runs. Now, we were going to go ahead and get this running and driving, but we realized that it had multiple freeze plugs that were leaking. We went to replace two of them, and then we realized that the other side had one leaking. So I don't think we're going to do that. We do have this running right now on fuel in a little container here, but we do have the fuel tank on order for it, so it'll be getting a new fuel tank with it when we sell it. Go ahead and start it up. So there you go. She's running. So it runs actually pretty well. We have it high idling right now. It's kind of blowing dirt and stuff out of the exhaust, but to choke on.